How does crowd overload relate to autistic shutdowns? Have you ever wondered how being in a crowded place can affect someone with autism spectrum disorder? Let's talk about crowd overload and how it connects to autistic shutdowns. Crowd overload happens when an autistic person experiences too much sensory and social input in a busy environment. This can include loud noises, bright lights, strong smells, and many people around them. For someone with autism spectrum disorder, these overwhelming sensations can quickly become too much to handle. When the sensory input becomes excessive, the brain struggles to process everything. This can lead to sensory overload, which might trigger an autistic shutdown. During a shutdown, the individual may withdraw from their surroundings, become nonverbal, or seem unresponsive. This reaction is a way to protect themselves from further distress. It's a coping mechanism that helps them regain control over their feelings and environment. In crowded spaces, the sensory overload is not just about physical sensations. Social demands and the need to navigate complex interactions add to the mental strain. The noise, unpredictable movements, and social expectations can create emotional and cognitive overload. This combination often increases the risk of experiencing a shutdown. Several factors explain the relationship between crowd overload and shutdowns. First, many autistic individuals have heightened sensitivity to stimuli. This means sounds, lights, and touch can feel more intense. Crowds amplify these sensations, making it hard to filter or ignore them. Second, navigating social interactions in crowded environments requires significant mental effort. This can overwhelm autistic individuals, leading to a shutdown as a protective response. When their brain is overloaded, they may withdraw or temporarily lose the ability to communicate. During a shutdown, the signs can vary. An individual might become silent, avoid eye contact, or cover their ears or eyes. They may seek a quiet space to escape the overwhelming environment. To support autistic individuals in crowded places, there are practical steps that can help. Preparing them in advance about what to expect can reduce anxiety. Providing quiet or low-stimulation areas nearby allows for a retreat if needed. Allowing the use of sensory aids, like noise-canceling headphones or sunglasses, can also make a difference. Minimizing time spent in crowded areas or breaking visits into shorter segments can help manage sensory overload. Recognizing how crowd overload can trigger autistic shutdowns is essential. Creating sensory-friendly environments can prevent distress and support autistic individuals in their daily lives.